Hello friends, it's that time of the year when we start revising for the exam. Now we have this question under Circle Theorems. Now this question is very simple and easy to solve. Okay, so in the diagram below, PR is the diameter of a circle with a center O. Q and S are points on the circumference. Yes, we can see the tangent to the circle at the point P meets QS produced at T. Okay, cool. PRS, angle PRS is 26. PQS, I mean not PRS, but PQ. Angle PQS is 26 and angle QPR is 42. The first question is saying calculate angle PRS. Angle PRS. So they want this angle here, this angle here. So to find this angle is very simple. Why? Because we are going to use the property which states that angles in the same segment are equal. Okay, if you have a circle here, let me just draw a simple circle, a circle here, then you have this. Okay, this is the segment. All right, you have this angle, and in the same segment here there is another angle like this. So it means that this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, so which is just the same as this one. You have this. Okay, it is starting from P and the S, then the other one, so it's forming this angle which is 26 here, and the other one is starting from the same P R S. So even here is 26. So the first question here, the answer is just what? 26 degrees. Okay, 26 degrees. Okay, it's easy if that way. In other words, let me just do this. If you are standing here, for example, you are standing here, all right, your shadow will be, let's say, this side. What's here is equal to what is here. Okay, the angle that is in between here is the same as what is there. Yes, so what it means is even this angle starting from here going this side is equal to this angle. Okay, so even here is what? 42. It's 42. All right, so the answer here to this question is just what? 26 degrees. Okay, 26 degrees. Then the second one is saying find angle PRQ. PRQ, this angle here. Okay, now what property are we going to use? Simple. We're going to use angle property from the angle, a triangle in a semicircle. A triangle in a semicircle, check, this is the semicircle, and you have any triangle in the semicircle is right angle. So here it forms a right angle here. Okay, and then here you have 42 already. Then out of 90 we are given 26, so you can just subtract 26 from one, or not subtracting, I mean we are going to use 90 here and the 42 to find this angle. Are we together? Okay, so we're going to say 180 minus, open bracket, 42 plus 90. Where is the 90 coming from? Remember, these are all in degrees. Where is the 90 coming from? is coming from this angle here, is 90, because this is the diameter. So what is formed here is a right angle. All right, so it will be 180 degrees minus 42 plus 90 is giving me 132. Okay, 132. If you subtract nicely here, 180 minus 132, okay, we're going to have 7 minus 3, that is 4. Okay, I'm getting 48 degrees as the answer. Okay, 48 degrees. Okay, it's as simple as this. Okay, 48 degrees. So this question is easy if you know the properties. Okay, properties of a circle. It's very, very easy. Can we go to the next? Yes, we can. Now the next, which is the last question, is saying calculate angle PTQ, this angle here. This is simple. This is very simple. What we are going to do is this. Copy. I want to erase this so that it looks neat. Okay. Listen. If this is the diameter and this is a tangent, automatically they form what? It forms a 90-degree angle there. Okay, 90-degree angle. Now you have a triangle. It forms a triangle, which is like this, and you already have 26 here, and here we have 90 plus 42. Okay, 90 plus 42. In other words, we have 132. Okay, we have 132 here. So we can also use angles in a triangle. Simple issue. Are we together? Simple issue. So to calculate that one, we're going to say total angles, total angle in a triangle is 180. So I'm going to write 180 minus, open bracket, 90 plus 42 plus this 26. Okay, this is giving me, so we have 180 degrees minus 90 plus 42 is 132. Okay, 132 plus 26 is 150. 132, 158. Okay, 158. All right, then 180 minus 158, it is 22. So I'm going to write 22 degrees. Okay, 22 degrees is the answer to the last question here. Okay, so remember the first question is just 26. The answer is 26. Okay, the second one is 48. We found 48, and then the last one is just 22 degrees. Okay, so this is how you calculate, you find this question. Remember to subscribe for more